Hey everyone! Welcome back to Review Kitchens, your go-to channel for honest and entertaining kitchen gadget reviews. Today, we're diving into the COSORI air fryer toaster oven, the Versatile 11, in one appliance that promises to revolutionize your cooking game. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The COSORI air fryer toaster oven is like the Swiss Army knife of kitchen appliances. It can air fry, bake, roast, dehydrate, reheat, toast, broil, proof, keep warm, and even handle a rotisserie. Whether you're craving crispy fries, a juicy roast chicken, or dehydrated fruit snacks, this bad boy has got you covered. To make it easier for you, I've included a link to the website where you can buy it at the best price. With a 13-quart capacity, this oven fits up to 2 pounds of fries, an 8-inch pizza, or a 4 pounds chicken. It's perfect for family meals and occupies the same counter space as smaller appliances, but offers much more cooking room. So, you can feed the whole gang without cluttering your kitchen. Who doesn't love a quick, healthy meal? The COSORI cooks 40% faster than traditional ovens and uses only 15% of the fat compared to deep fryers. Thanks to its 120V/1800W motor and dual heating elements, it ensures your food is crispy, juicy, and cooked to perfection with rapid heat circulation. Say goodbye to overcooked meals with the clear glass window and oven light that let you keep an eye on your cooking. Plus, cleanup is a breeze. The food-grade steel housing and non-stick accessories are dishwasher safe, making post-cooking cleanup quick and easy. The COSORI comes with 6 super useful accessories: an air fryer tray, rotisserie basket, rotisserie fork set, handle, food tray, and drip tray. These tools make it easy to prepare a variety of dishes efficiently and effectively. Not sure where to start? The included 30 recipe book, developed by COSORI chefs, will guide you. Plus, you can discover even more delicious recipes on the free VE Sync app. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, you'll find inspiration and step-by-step instructions to create mouth-watering meals. Safety first. This air fryer features a high-temperature resistant coating and BPA-free food contact parts, ensuring your cooking is safe and free from harmful substances. It's designed to withstand temperatures over 660 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can cook with confidence. Positive points. Extremely versatile with 11-in-1 functionality. Large 13-quart capacity, perfect for family meals. Cooks 40% faster and healthier than traditional ovens. Easy to clean, dishwasher-safe accessories. Clear glass window and oven light for easy monitoring. Comes with 6 handy accessories. Includes original recipes and app support. Negative points. Requires some counter space due to its size. The digital controls might take a bit of time to master. Should you buy it? So, should you buy the COSORI air fryer toaster oven? Absolutely. It's perfect for anyone looking to simplify their kitchen routine while enjoying a variety of perfectly cooked meals. Its versatility, large capacity, and ease of use make it a fantastic addition to any kitchen. That's it for today's review. Thanks for watching Review Kitchens. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest and detailed kitchen gadget reviews. See you next time.